Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can fix the YouTube videos not downloading problem. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube application. Now for example, if I search for a song to download and if I tap on the download button to download this video, then you can see that the video is not downloading. If you want to fix the issue, then go back to the YouTube homepage. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on downloads. Here you will see all the videos that you tried to download but they are not downloading. So if you tap the download icon of any video, it shows this video is not downloaded yet. And if you try to download another video, then you can see the same problem again. So if you want to fix this problem, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now here you just turn off the option download over Wi-Fi only. After that, go back to the download section. Now if I tap on the download icon of a video to download, then you can see that the problem is not solved. The pending videos are still not downloaded. To solve the problem, you need to download any other new video except the videos that already stuck in the pending download list. So go back to the YouTube homepage and play any video from here. Then tap on the download button from here. Now you can see that the YouTube video is downloading. And if I go back to the download section, you can see that the problem is now fixed. The pending videos are downloading one by one. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos.